This information is crucial for the safety of your cryptocurrency. By default, never share your seed phrase backup. Don't trust any email related to your cryptocurrency. Never share your seed phrase backup. Never. Always verify that you are on the correct website. Never share your seed phrase. Never. This year, Ledger had a data breach, and since then, their customers have been bombarded with phishing emails. If you don't know what phishing means, I'm going to tell you. Fake emails and websites that are pretending to be someone else in order to steal your personal information, the access to your crypto in this case. The hardware wallet is still safe, the funds are safe, but it's your responsibility to keep them that way. Even if you don't own a Ledger wallet, this information is crucial for the safety of your cryptocurrency. Since a bunch of hackers and scammers got their hands on personal data from Ledger, they now know the personal data of their clients. That means they have your name, email, phone number, even your home address. So let's see how you can protect yourself against these phishing attempts. I have these 2 phishing emails in my spam folder. That's the first sign of a scam. Don't trust anything in your spam folder. Some emails end up there by mistake, but most of them are not for your own good. Even if the emails end up in your inbox and not in spam, there are some more clues to keep you away from being one of the victims. Right here, if I hover over the name of the sender, I can see their email address, support@ledgersupport.com. That's not a valid address. Ledgersupport.com does not exist. The other one is noreply@ledgersupport.io. Again, ledgersupport.io is not a valid domain. Also, there's a typo in Ledger Support. It's Ledger, not Ledger. And that's common practice when it comes to phishing. The only valid domain is ledger.com. Any other domains are fake. But let's open one of the emails and see what other clues we can find here. By the way, you can also see the email address here, ledgersupport.com, which is fake. And if you click on this little arrow here, you'll see some details. And it says that this email is signed by ledgersupport.com. Like I said, that's a fake email. You can see that the images are not loading. So I'm going to mark this as report not spam. It looks like that didn't work. These images don't load for some reason. Most probably because it's a fake email. But usually they are made to look exactly like the emails from Ledger. So you'll have the logo and the design of the email. But if these don't load correctly, that's another sign that this email is not legit. You can see that they have my personal data, they have my email address, and they added it to the email to build a little trust, because this data I only share it with Ledger, but the whole content of the email says that my cryptocurrency is at risk and I need to take an action. Whenever that happens, never click any link within the email, because there's a big chance there's a phishing attempt here. In this case, I would go to the official website at ledger.com and see what's going on. And the first notification here, maybe this should be bigger: beware of the phishing attacks. Ledger will never ask for the 24 words of the recovery seed. Never share them, and you can learn more about it here. And this is the official information, not the one that you receive in your email. If I look at any of the links in this email, you will see that they are fake. If I hover over this link right here, view in browser, you can see in the bottom left corner the link that I'm going to access. Does that link look safe for you? It's not. Hover over the download button, the same link. In this case, they'll have you download a malicious software that pretends to be the Ledger Live application where you can manage your crypto, but for that you'll have to enter your seed phrase. Never share your seed phrase backup. Never. Don't trust it with anyone. No one has to know it. No support team, not a random person trying to help you, no computer application, no mobile application. No one needs to know your backup seed phrase. The only situation when you need it is only when you lose access to your wallet. When you no longer have it, it's destroyed and you cannot get access to your coins anymore. That's the only case when you need your backup seed phrase. In this case, you didn't lose the device, your device didn't get destroyed, it's just some random email asking you for that information. In this case, you are supposed to download a fake application where you input your backup seed phrase, and that's how they get access to your cryptocurrency. That's how they steal your funds. The other email that I got, again, pretends that my wallet has been compromised. Again, it's from a fake email, looks similar to the previous one. If I hover my mouse over the button, you can see in the bottom left corner, again, the same fake link. It's the same person trying to scam, just with a slightly different approach. Please don't click any links on this email, because if you click the link, you don't know what's at the end of that link. Even if you don't download the fake application, there might be other malware affecting your computer. And every time you type something on your computer, that information can be recorded. And if you don't get attacked now, if they still have access to your computer through malware, you could be attacked in a few months or years. This is a very serious concern, so I'll have to recap. Never share your seed phrase backup. Don't trust any email related to your cryptocurrency, and always verify that you are on the correct website. I'm working on a more in-depth video about good case practices to keep your crypto safe, and I'm going to share it with you on the screen right now. But until then, watch this video, which will help you keep your crypto safe. I'll see you there.